Hadian bu Chief Election Commission kari India ulapan benapai ba ya katarik jong kejingji ekonomi khmat sa yeng dor bar thawain ka jala Meghalaya ka ban long hakar pnyo tarik banai rampang mentau snam arjar pulai ba Frederick Kharkungor ba Chief Election Officer ka jala ulong ban yai be yai ranti ki bor pahara ki bolapoi hapo ka jala Meghalaya kiladon hadu Southpole Company.
Peace and violence-free elections are a top priority for the election and for the Election Commission, as you just heard from the press conference of the Honorable Election Commission also. They have mentioned that the era of violence is now over. Now we have to ensure a violence-free and recall-free elections. So Meghalaya, by and large, in the past also has been largely peaceful, at least in respect of elections. And now for the first time, 40 companies have come in advance. In the previous years, these companies used to be deployed only close to the poll day, but now 40 companies have already been deployed much prior to the poll day also. So the purpose of having these CrPF forces much prior to the poll day is also to instill confidence, and also the vulnerability marking and the critical marking has already been done, and all steps will be taken to safeguard and to instill confidence in the hearts and minds of the voters. So this is a general deployment for all the 3 states. Advance in deployment of CrPF has been arranged just so that these CrPF forces, they come and they are able to instill confidence in the people. So it's done in all 3 states, not only specific to Meghalaya.
Hakawai kaliang ba Frederick luong ba hari luom garu ka election haw aja ka pra kai pher ha bai nu jor bat manta ka kanti namar ba katai ka por ki dangdon ki sengla no ki ba pentriam ba hapo rilum garu.
Against 2018, the situation was different in the Kyrwohs, because at that time we had some active militancy units. You had active militant presence, but those have since been neutralized. So in terms of peace and security, it's much more peaceful than what it had been then. So, but still, there's no room for complacency. The entire election machinery, especially at the district level election machinery, has been told to give special focus and to ensure that there is no complacency or no slip up, so that the people are able to enforce their franchise. They're able to exercise their franchise in a peaceful manner. So a number of warrants have been issued, a number of them have been executed, and I don't have the exact figures with me now, but the police have got all the records of at which stage of the conviction and the execution of those warrants. As far as I know, quite a few of those warrants that have been issued, they had been disposed of also. So, but this time around, as you know, we have police observers as well. Police observers, and apart from general observers, there will be police observers and CrPF. So, in respect of such incidents, I'm sure there is much greater control now than what had been there in the past. A list of the troublemongers has already been compiled. I'm not at liberty to share with you since it's a matter of confidentiality. And they will be bound under Section 107. We have a Section 107. So these troublemongers and these history sheeters and these known, miscreants, they have already been identified right at the polling station level, at the macro. At the micro level itself. So these history sheeters and these troublemongers, as and when the need arises, under Section 107, they will be bound. If they misbehave or if they cause any tension amongst the electorate, because the DC and the police together, they have a coordination team, and the police also have a record of all these history sheeters and all these troublemongers. So that exercise is already on, and it's ongoing also, because what was not peaceful before could turn violent today. So it's an evolving situation. So close watch will be kept on all these elements.